Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with something new. This is something that I spoke to you all about in a previous video, and it's called picture art. And I'm going to show you all how to make to make a picture using a frame that you can, you're going to be amazed at the things that you can make and create, y'all, okay? So here are the items that you will need in order to achieve the look that I am going to show you all how to make. You're going to need a paintbrush. You are going to need some scissors. You're going to need a Sharpie. You're going to need a picture frame. Now, I went to the Dollar Tree the other day and I picked up this here picture frame, and this is a 4x6 picture frame, okay? You are also going to need some tacky glue or whatever glue you have, as long as it's glue, okay? You're also going to need one of these card stocks, okay? Now this I did a video on. As a matter of fact, I did a haul on this showing you all the different types of, this is spray paint card stock. Let me, so you all can see the name of it. That's the name of it, spray paint card stock. And they have some real gorgeous, beautiful card stocks in here that you can, I'm gonna just pick and choose just one. And you are also going to need this right here. This is your wood letters. This is what I got from Dollar General the other day. I did a haul on it, and I'm going to use some of these alphabets, okay? You are also going to need your choice of paints, okay? You're going to need some paint. And the paint that I'm going to be using is going to be a gloss paint. So I'm not going to be using Mod Podge or anything like that extra, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get right into this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so this is my piece that I have decided to use for my background for my picture art. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back of my frame, which is this right here, and I'm going to flip this over and trace. And now with this, to me, it's not going to really matter, but I'm going to trace this with my Sharpie, and I'm going to cut it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so basically what I did was I traced my piece with this piece right here, and I cut it out, and this is what I have. Now this is going to be the background of my picture art, okay? The next thing that I did was I chose which letters I was going to be using of the alphabets. And my letters I'm going to be using is D, L, and O, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these using Bahama Blue. This is it right here. And it's outdoor indoor paint. And this is a gloss finish. I am not going to be using any Mod Podge at all because this already is going to have a gloss finish. And basically, I am going to paint these, and then I'm going to come back, okay? Okay, everyone, so I painted my pieces, and they're dry. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add them on to this part of my picture art, okay? So I'm going to take and put some glue right here. And I'm just going to paint a little bit of glue onto my picture art. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take my brush and just do it lightly. And this is just to glue it on my paper. And the one thing about Aleene's tacky glue is that this will be permanent. It won't come off once I put it in place and it dries. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all can't see what I'm doing. And then I'm just going to take this piece and put it right here. And this is going to be my eye. Okay, so that's my eye. Now I'm going to take and do the same thing for this piece. Put some of my Aleene's tacky glue on it. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this piece and place it right next to my other piece. All right. So there you have that one. Now this is going to be my nose. So this is the letter L, and this is going to be my nose. So I am going to take and put some Aleene's glue on my nose, and I'm going to place it just like this, right in between my eyes. And the last piece is going to be my mouth. This is the letter O. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to set this off to dry. And then I'm going to come back and show you all the next step. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so once your piece dries, this is pretty much what you're going to have. And then you want to take it and you want to put it in your frame. So we're going to take this piece here. We're going to take this piece and place it like this. And I'm going to leave my glass in there. Now, you don't have to leave the glass. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to leave my glass down in here. And I'm going to take this and place it just like this down in my frame. And then I'm going to push my prongs down nice and tight. And then you have yourself a beautiful piece of picture art. And you can set this anywhere in your house. Now you can also do this like this. Now what I did was, you can also use any kind of cardstock to make these. And you can hang these. This actually is a picture frame where you can hang this somewhere. Yeah, right here. It has a thing in the back where you can hang it. You can do, the sky is the limit, y'all. When it comes to art and being creative, you can make any type of thing that you want to make and create, okay? So I decided to make this face right here, which I really love. And like I said, you can put this, you can set these up anywhere in your house. And don't forget that this is the spray paint cardstock, and it has multiple things that you can use. Like, I've made earrings using these cardstocks. There's so many different things you can do using cardstock, okay? You can even make cards. So I just wanted to come to you all really quick to show you how to make and create this. I know this is not my norm, but I do other things other than making jewelry, y'all, okay? All right, so with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank my new subscribers, my super supporters, those of you who are always here. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share, and happy crafting. Y'all go make yourself some beautiful things. Like I said, you'll be surprised at the things you can make with these shapes, okay? All right, so with that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.